Hello, my name is Russell Reese. I'm your librarian for this class, and I'm going to be showing you how to use some of the resources that we have available to you online. So first of all, I do want to show you a resource that we've created. It's a guide that I've curated especially for this class so that you don't have to sort through all of the different resources that we have. So first you're going to start on guides. Go over here to search, type in SLS 1301. It's going to be the very first one that pops up. You're going to click on it. And here is what the guide looks like. So as you can see, there's all these different tabs. They are there to help you with the different assignments that you're going to have throughout this class, and I am going to cover each one briefly. But first I do want to start on this page and show you I've created the quick search, which is actually on the home page that you could start, or we do have a whole list of databases. But you don't have to worry about that unless you just want to look at all the databases, because I have curated a databases list for you. This just gives you a little bit of information on how to start using the quick search. If you want some more information, please go check out the tutorials. There are multiple different ones on how to do different searches. And then we've also got some recommended reading. Just basics on careers and vocational guidance. Next, we're going to move over to the Discovery and Research tab. And we have a little bit of humor here, but this is for your assignment covering Maslow's hierarchy of needs. I do have a video and also a reading here for you that you can look at that will explain a little bit about this theory. Next, we're going to go down, scroll down. There's going to be a curated list of library databases. These are what I recommend you start with when you're doing searches for your assignments. We're going to take a quick look at one of them. This is Ferguson's Career Guidance Center. This is one of the databases that the library subscribes to. Use the databases. They are paid for out of your student tuition, and they are curated, and also you can be sure that the sources that are found in them are relevant, correct sources. So we're going to click on that. It will prompt you to log in the first time using your MySCF login. So the Career Guidance Center, you can research different industries, you can look at different types of educational access. There are different ways that you can plan for your career. It gives you courses on resume writing, cover letter writing, your networking, and then you can look at job postings through this database as well. But this is a good place to start looking at professions. So if you want to, you can browse profession, and it will show you like the featured ones, which are fastest growing or the highest paying, that sort of thing. Or you can go over here to all professions. So say you're wanting to look at nursing. You just click on in and scroll down, and you can look at the different types of nurses. So let's say you want to be nursing assistant. This one actually has a video. Not all of them do, but some of them have videos kind of talking with people that work in that field. And it gives you an overview, and then there's also some quick facts about the different licensing, what kind of career training you will need, the type of work environment, that sort of thing. And then over here on the right hand side, you can look at all the details when it comes to this career. So that's how you would use the Career Guidance Center. I recommend you just go in, explore, kind of play around with it. You never know what you're going to find. All right, so moving on. Next is job searching. So this has all different resources. These are some of the resources that are available through the college. I recommend using Handshake. This employment site is specifically for SCF, and you can find community jobs as well as jobs here on campus, especially if you want to do work study. And then there's some more employment reports talking about mobile apps when you're doing your job hunting. A lot of job applications can be done through your mobile device. And there's also some salary information. So definitely look through and check out some of these resources. Another one of your assignments is going to be about LinkedIn. So I have curated a bunch of different LinkedIn resources. These are not all of the resources that we have about LinkedIn, but it's a good starting point. So here are some books about LinkedIn. We also have some streaming video resources talking about LinkedIn, and then some web resources. So I have a YouTube video here for you, and then also some videos that you can find through the actual LinkedIn student account that will show you how to set up a LinkedIn profile. And last but not least, resume writing and interview skills. I have some resources here curated for you. You can also find, again, resume writing and interview skills under your Discovery and Research tab in some of these databases. If you have any questions or need any help, you can always get in contact with me through the About Us library staff, or you can look at librarians. I am Russell Reese right here. This is me. This is my contact information. You can find me in Building 3 at the library. You can also, we'll scroll back up here, go to the Ask Us button. This takes you to Ask a Librarian, which is our online service that will, you can ask us questions and we can answer digitally. So you have the option to choose text or chat or email. And if you have any frequently asked questions, you might also find some of those here. So definitely check out those resources. Get in touch with me if you have any questions. And have a good day.